Sometimes it's worth eating dinner without anything extra, such as protein or something that will make you feel heavy. Just vegetables is more than enough, especially if we're trying to manage our body weight. The yellow one is a squash, and I will just cut everything down and sprinkle with some extra virgin olive oil, having some herbs such as oregano, dried basil, and of course black pepper and sea salt. If you don't have air fryer, it's okay to use oven. Just give it extra 5 minutes and you will enjoy this meal.